Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, we're going to learn how to track phone calls to Google Ads. Okay, so there are two kinds of phone calls we can track to Google Ads. First one is calls from ads, and the second one is calls from website. So today we're going to see this one, the calls from website conversion tracking. So we can track click to call and dial to call both under calls from website conversion tracking. But if we track dial to call, we don't need to track click to call because click to call is already included to dial to call. So what is actually dial to call? Let me clarify. So as you can see, this is our website. When someone visits our website by clicking the ads and they click this phone number or they dial this number to call us, both of these activity will be tracked to Google Ads account. So that's what dial to call conversion is. Okay, so how to do that? First we have to go to the Google Ads account here, and you have to navigate to the summary under conversions in the goals section and create conversion action and save and continue. Phone call lead, create conversion, calls from website. Now someone calls, a number shows on my website. Now you have to put the same number shown on your website. I have to put the number here and here and use this event. Now if you want to change the settings of the conversion, you can edit settings. You can change the conversion name from here, and this is the value. This means when someone calls you from the ad, if we click this one and fix it 1, Google will count them as a $1 conversion, and if we change it to 12, Google will count them as it is a $12 conversion, and this is count if we keep 1. So when someone calls us by clicking our ads, no matter how many times one person call, it will count only 1. But if we keep it every, which means how many times a person or user calls us, it will count every times as a conversion. And this is a call length. As you can see, this is fixed 60 seconds, which means when someone calls us by the ads and talk to us for 60 seconds, then Google will count them as a conversion. If they calls us 30 seconds, Google won't count them as a conversion. And this is a click-through conversion window. As you can see, 30 days is already selected, which means when someone clicks our ads but didn't call within these selected days, Google won't count them as a conversion. But if they click our ads and calls us within 30 days, Google will count them as a conversion. And the attribution model, this is, we have to select this last click, and now done, and save and continue. So now save and continue, and now I have to click one, see event snippet. Now copy this and close it. Now come to your Word document and paste it here. So after this AW and hyphen, this is the conversion ID, and after this forward slash and with the hyphen, this is a conversion level. Okay, so now we have to go to the Google Tag Manager and create text, and now click on new tag configuration, Google Ads call from website conversion, and then we have to put the displayed number here, which means this number, and now paste it here, and here conversion ID. We have to give the conversion ID and conversion level. So go to the Word document, this is the conversion ID, and this is conversion level. Now trigger all the pages. Now give it a name. Now save it. Now submit this. Now publish it. So now come to the Google Ads and finish it. So our Google Ads dial to call conversion creation is done. So thanks for watching the video. We'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.